Assuming you have received a mail, and somehow there is a premium model inside. You know, those models which are screwed, highly detailed, and their wheels do not roll. This video shows you the important things you need to consider when you unbox these models. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, many of these are packed in such plastic. Don't open it with your fingers. Use a cutter like this one here, because too much pressure with your fingers might cause damage to the cardboard frame. First slice on one side, then on the other. So you can rip it off quite easily. Next important thing, don't open the cardboard box with your fingers. Same here, use a cutter to solve this problem. Gently place the cutter in the gap and press lightly upwards until the lid comes off. But due to the fact that only one side is open, the car can't be taken out of the cardboard that easily. So to get out the car quick, we have to do the same as before on the other side. Now we can easily push the model car out of the cardboard. As you can see, it's pretty often that this protection cover doesn't look good on all sides. Way too often there are scratches or stains on it because of the transport. What we are trying to say, always show the nice side of the protective box, depending on how you want the car to look. For example, in our collection all cars are facing their front to the right, beside of a few exceptions. Some protector cases can be opened really easy. Others may have such a sticker to keep them sealed. Don't try to use your fingers again. Therefore, use your cutter again and do a little slice in the gap. Next thing is that it depends a bit if you want to display the car with or without a cardboard box. Over here the protectors are getting surrounded by the cardboard boxes. If you don't want to display them, we personally keep them somewhere in storage. Never throw them away. This is important if you want to sell the models at some point. In our case, it also depends a bit on the packaging design. If it doesn't look very attractive to display, we store them separately in a box. Another point where you should take care is at the moment you've decided to unscrew the model. Make sure you get one of these small Phillips screwdrivers. Practically all screws of model cars are small Phillips screws. When loosening the screws, exert some pressure on the car, preferably with the roof side facing downwards. Make sure you open the first screw not entirely. This ensures that the thread in the model car is evenly loaded. It takes some time until the car is fully detached. Another important thing is that we humans leave greasy fingerprints. If we want to turn the car round accordingly, we should usually hold them at the wheels and floor. Car windows or chassis are always a bad idea. In the case you have still touched it, use a dry or slightly wet microfiber cloth. If you want to attach the car back on its base, make sure as well that you hold it on the wheels as previously explained. Apply pressure from above to the car model so that the screws can be screwed in cleanly. Here too, Use a microfiber cloth to help if a fingerprint has been made by touching it. Which advice didn't you know before? Let us know in the comments down below. We hope you were able to learn a thing or two, so that you can hopefully apply them to the next premium model in your collection. Without any further ado, thank you as always for watching and have a wonderful time. See you in the next video.